Hello YouTube, managed to get the piston out. Wasn't too hard. I just pushed on it with a little pry bar and it pushed right out. Very surprised actually. There's very minimal wear around the skirt, and the rings are free, including the oil ring. And I don't know if it was actually the piston that was worn. Let's look all the way down the cylinder. You can see the hash marks. I really could be it was a stuck breather. It was clogged with something, but I don't know. The engine it was spitting some oil out, and there's fuel in the oil. But yeah, it doesn't look bad visually. I'm not going to start measuring it now for tolerances. I don't even know them off the top of my head, but it doesn't look bad. Maybe I'll see if I can take out the valves. Adjustment's got to be behind here somewhere, because the valves are, the lifters go right in there. So pretty sure this plate comes out somehow. Check it out.